After that, we would tell the subjects to stop taking the quiz after 10 minutes. And then we would grade the quiz and record their grades in a data table. We would then give the next study material to the subjects and let the subjects study. We would tell the subjects to take a break after 5 minutes of studying and tell the subjects to resume studying after 5 minutes of break. The subjects would then study for 5 minutes after taking the break. We would then give the subjects the quiz. The subjects would stop taking the quiz after 10 minutes. We would then grade the quiz and record the grades in a data table. After that, we would give the next study material to the subjects and let the subjects study. We would tell the subjects to stop studying after 10 minutes and give the subjects the quiz. We would tell the subjects to stop taking quiz after 10 minutes and grade their quiz and record it in the data table. We would then average all the subjects' scores in the data table and compare each of the averages to the other averages within the table. We would draw conclusions based on the averages and determine which length of study break was most beneficial and least beneficial to a subject's performance on the quiz.